We put forth a bus ordinance that worked to regulate and bring some calm to this crisis. Remember, it was the governor of Texas that attacked the state of Illinois. Those buses did not have to come to Chicago or anywhere else. That was a conscious decision by, quite frankly, a hateful person who wanted to create division within our country. By the time we were in the DNC, there were essentially no individuals being transported to the city of Chicago. So the border control that you're speaking of actually happened under the Biden administration.
You know, I think President Trump and his allies have decided that the way in which they're going to manage the federal government is to overwhelm and demoralize those who might be in opposition to what they're trying to do. And one of the challenges for us in this shotgun approach to executive orders is their focus on immigration and challenging sanctuary and welcoming cities, counties, and states. So we're being sued by the federal government, as you said.
Is there any wiggle room here to address the concerns they have? I mean, the DOJ said that one example was a Cook County detainee, an illegal alien, was released without ICE being involved, and then 17 days later is arrested for homicide.
I'm not familiar with this particular case, and we're going to fight the federal government's efforts to allege that we are not compliant with immigration law. I mean, my view is that immigration enforcement is the obligation of the federal government. Let them do their job.
The DOJ says that an illegal alien was released from Cook County Jail without ICE being able to intervene, and then 17 days later was arrested, suspected of murder. How are the welcoming city policies not harming public safety?
Well, first of all, public safety is the top priority for me, like I would imagine all mayors around the state of Illinois. And violent crime continues to go down in the city of Chicago. I'm not sure if you've been able to track those numbers, but since I've been in office, there's been a precipitous decline in violence, and we're going to continue to do all that is necessary to create a safer Chicago for all. We do need Congress to actually hold the executive branch in check. We can't normalize what this president is doing. He has eroded the Constitution, and that's why there's significant lawsuits all over the country that are pushing back against the unconstitutional nature of his iniquitous form of governance.